With Roku, you can easily connect your iPhone to your TV. In just a few taps, you can display your photos on the big screen, play music through your surround sound system, and stream YouTube videos without ever touching your remote. To mirror your iPhone to a Roku device, simply swipe down from the top right corner of your iPhone screen. Then tap the mirroring button, which has an icon with two overlapping rectangles. Next, select your Roku device from the list of devices that pops up. Finally, enter the 4-digit code that appears on your TV and tap OK. Then tap anywhere to exit the control center and open an app to start mirroring. When you want to stop mirroring, go back to the control center and tap the mirroring button again. Then tap Stop Mirroring. If you don't see a Roku device in the list of devices, make sure it has AirPlay enabled. To do this, press the Home button on your Roku remote. Then go to Settings and select Apple AirPlay and HomeKit. Finally, make sure AirPlay is turned on. From here, you can also select Require Code to change when Roku asks you for the 4-digit code. If you're still having problems, make sure your iPhone and Roku are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. To check your Wi-Fi network on Roku, press the Home button on your remote and go to Settings, then Network, and About. From here, you'll see your Wi-Fi network listed under Network Name in the top right portion of your screen. To change Wi-Fi networks, select Set Up Connection, then Wireless. Then choose a Wi-Fi network. If you don't see yours listed, select Scan Again to see all networks. Finally, enter your Wi-Fi password and select Connect. To check your Wi-Fi network on an iPhone, go to Settings and select Wi-Fi. You'll see your Wi-Fi network listed at the top of the screen with a blue check mark next to it. To change Wi-Fi networks, simply tap one of the networks listed below. If these steps helped, please leave a like and subscribe for more easy how-to videos.